telling me that this is now available from all banks, that there is loan forgiveness, and this couple can take advantage of this loan forgiveness since their daughter died? I hadn't heard this.
That is mostly right. That is mostly right.
I don't understand what mostly right means. Is it available or not?
There are not all banks. There are many more banks that are giving loan forgiveness throughout the country.
What number is many more? More than what?
Right now,
more
Senator,
than zero?
Yes, ma'am. There are more than zero. In fact, I know of about at least four that are doing it right now.
4 out of 7,000?
Well, not all 6,700 banks provide student lending, and we don't represent all 6,700. I will tell you, one large institution since 2011 has forgiven $26.8 million because the student unfortunately passed away. I think you're going to see more of our banks formalize that into their contract when a student does pass away.
And when
they are going to start forgiving.
Thank you, Mr. Honey. And when it goes from 4 to 8, I'm sure you will announce that you've seen 100% increase.
Well, keep in mind, Senator, you only have about 8 banks that dominate the market. So we're making progress. A lot of these banks do it by case scenario. There's nothing worse than the tragic accident that happened throughout the country.
Yes, actually, there is something worse. And that is when something like this happens, and the family is left with $100,000 in debt and 3 orphans to take care of. That's worse.
And I'm hoping that bank forgives that loan.
Well, I'm hoping that bank will forgive that loan too.
Sure.
But so far, what that bank has said is no. The banks have not forgiven those loans. They have not provided adequate relief to this family, and I don't know how many other families are in those circumstances. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. You know, there really is no substitute for bankruptcy protection, but the banks went out and lobbied to make sure that they were going to be exempt from the bankruptcy laws, and now they won't even provide the modest relief that is provided on federal loans for people who end up in terrible financial circumstances. I think this is wrong.